Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are witnessing a truly incredible and dangerous operation that you don't see every day. Take a look at this scene. A small crane is trapped inside a massive tanker. And our mega giant crane is about to begin the mission to pull it out. This job might look simple, but in reality, it is extremely difficult. Because even a 1-inch mistake can cause millions in damages. You can see how skillfully the operator is positioning the big crane and slowly increasing the tension to maintain perfect balance. It's not just about raw power. It requires precision and brains because the tanker opening is very narrow, making it a huge challenge to lift the small crane straight up. But remember, in these massive operations, safety is always the top priority. We always ensure the ground is solid. The steel cables are in perfect condition, and every crew member is wearing their safety helmet and gear to prevent any accidents. The coordination between the signalman and the operator is what makes this mission a success. And finally, as you can see, the team's hard work has paid off, and the small crane is safely out of the tanker. If you enjoyed watching this amazing heavy machinery operation, please like and share the video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more heavy equipment action. Thank you.